Has this ever happened to you?
Hey, yo, Paulie!
Hey, yo, Mikey!
Hey, where my money at?
I don't know, I ain't got your money.
Supposed to have it by Tuesday.
That was yesterday.
I know, I want my money.
Shut the hell up.
Hey, I got you.
Well, I'd like to see you try.
I'm coming through the window.
Well, it never has to happen again with the all-new phone. With the phone, you can call people from a distance without having to yell out your window.
Hey, yo, Paulie!
But wait, call right now, and we'll even throw in this extra CD, Taggart Scream's Greatest Hits. You get this awesome device called a cell phone that lets you talk to people in other regions of the world, and you also get this awesome remix CD. Seriously, it's great. Let's take a look at a preview.
Maybe there's a reason to take another step to get up off my knees and all this crap the most resistance.
What are you waiting for? Order now. Here are some of our satisfied customers.
I like this phone. With the phone, I can call people. You could also text with this phone. What do you mean I don't need to yell? This phone smells like cheese. Do I get paid yet?
Only 19 payments of $19.99. 99.
It has